चला एम.कॉम भाग 2 मधील सर्व विद्यार्थी विद्यार्थिनी गुड मॉर्निंग एव्हरीबडी. एम.कॉम भाग 2 मध्ये जो पेपर नंबर 5 जो आहे ॲडव्हान्स्ड अकाउंटन्सी, या संदर्भात आपण काल एक झूम ॲपवरती लेक्चर घेतलेलं होतं, परंतु पुन्हा एकदा आपण रिव्हिजन घेतो आहोत. या अर्थानं कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग यामध्ये युनिट नंबर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन अँड डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ कॉस्ट. फर्स्ट त्याच्यामध्ये मीनिंग ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग हा भाग आपण पुन्हा एकदा पाहतो आहोत. देन वी एलिमेंट ऑफ कॉस्ट शी चर्चा करणार आहोत. बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टडी दी मीनिंग ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग, we must know cost. Cost means total expenditure to produce any article or services, or cost spent any article or spent or amount spent on any article or goods are called as cost. In other words, cost means the total amount spent for production of goods or services. At present, it is very important to find out per unit cost because of factory production system and heavy machinery use in factory and mass productions and mass distribution system are we follow. Generally, कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग पाहण्यापूर्वी आपल्याला कॉस्टिंगचा अर्थ पाहावा लागतो. कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग इज रिलेटेड टू कॉस्ट. Cost accounting is a branch of financial accounting. Cost accounting is a branch of advanced accounting. Cost accounting and management accounting are the branch of accounting. In financial accounting, generally accounting means accounting is a part of the information system of a business enterprises. Accounting is a part of the information system of a business enterprises. It provides financial information concerning the activities of an enterprises to a diverse groups of people such as shareholders, managers, creditors and tax authorities, etc. On the basis of the purpose for which this information is used, accounting is divided into 3 parts: financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. Accountancy is divided in 3 parts: financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. Cost accounting is a part of accountancy. What is meant by accountancy? Accountancy is a part of information system of a business enterprise. Financial accounting is a part of accountancy which mainly concern with the recording of business transactions in the books of accounts. Financial accounting mainly concerned with recording of business transaction in the books of account for the purpose of presenting final account to management, shareholders and tax authorities. The information supplied by financial accounting is summarized into 3 statements at the end of the year or at the end of the period, generally 1 year. Thus, accountancy or financial accountancy prepare profit and loss account. 3 statements are made by financial accounting, which is profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow statement. What is meant by profit and loss account? Profit and loss account shows the net profit or loss during the period, generally 1 year. Balance sheet showing the financial position of the firm at a period or at a point of time. Balance sheet showing the financial position of the firm at a point of the time. Generally, balance sheet shows net profit or net loss at the end of the period. Cash flow statement showing the inflow of inflows and outflows of cash arising from the business activities during the period covered by the statement. 3 statements are made by financial accounting, which shows financial position of every business concern. Thus, the objective of financial accounting is to present a true or fair view of company's income, financial position and funds at a regular intervals of 1 year. So, cost accounting is a branch of financial accounting. Cost accounting provides detailed cost information. Cost accounting is a part of accountancy. Cost accounting as a branch of financial accounting and provide detailed cost information to various levels of management for efficient performance of their functions. The information supplied by cost accounting act as a management tool or decision making to optimize the utilization of scarce resources and ultimately add to the profitability of business, controlling expenditure under various heads. Management accounting. What is meant by management accounting? Management accounting is the modern concept of accounting as a tool of management. The terms management accounting is applied to the provision of accounting information for management activities such as decision making, planning and controlling. Then we see specially cost accounting. Generally कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंगचा जर आपण इथे विचार केला तर कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग आता पाहिल्याप्रमाणे अकाउंटन्सीची एक ब्रांच म्हणून पुढे येते कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग ही अकाउंटिंगची एक ब्रांच म्हणून पुढे येते. कॉस्टिंगमध्ये कॉस्टिंग पाहण्यापूर्वी आपल्याला कॉस्टचा अर्थ आपण पाहिला मगाशी. कॉस्ट मीन्स टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स. कॉस्ट मीन्स अमाउंट स्पेंड ऑन articles or services. Cost spent on any articles or any materials. इथं कॉस्ट पाहण्यापूर्वी कॉस्टिंगचा अर्थ जर आपण विचारात घेतला, कॉस्टिंग मीन्स टेक्निक मेथड टू फाइंड आउट कॉस्ट. बघा, कुठल्याही व्यवसायामध्ये वस्तूची किंमत निश्चित करणं हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं समजलं जातं. कारण आज जर आपण बघितलं तर मोठ्या प्रमाणावर वस्तूचं उत्पादन घेतलं जातं आणि ते किरकोळीने विकण्यासाठी जेव्हा आपण प्रयत्न करतो तेव्हा पर युनिट प्राईस शोधणे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. आणि कॉस्टिंग हे पर युनिट प्राईस शोधण्यासाठी आपल्याला मदत करतं. द टर्म कॉस्टिंग अँड कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग आर यूज्ड जनरली interchangeably. There is a difference between the two. Costing is simply determine costs by using any method like arithmetic process, memorandum statements, etc. Cost accounting denote the formal accounting mechanism by means of which costs are ascertained by recording them in the books of account. Cost accounting or the cost accounting emerged mainly because of certain limitations of financial accounting. Cost accounting प्रत्यक्ष वापरामध्ये आणण्याचं मेन कारण म्हणजे फायनान्शियल अकाउंटन्सीचे काही लिमिटेशन्स आहेत. ते लिमिटेशन्स जर तुम्ही विचारात घेतले तर त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला बघता येईल, फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग shows only overall performance of business concern. Financial account shows only net profit of business concern. Financial accounting does not shows the profit according to the department, job process or contracts, etc. फायनान्शियल अकाउंटमध्ये जो प्रॉफिट दाखवला जातो तो वर्षाच्या शेवटी दाखवला जातो. निश्चितच नेमका नेट प्रॉफिट किती झाला वर्षाच्या शेवटी हे फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंगवरून आपण सांगू शकतो. परंतु पर डिपार्टमेंटला, पर प्रोसेसला प्रॉफिट झाला की लॉस झाला हे शोधण्याचं काम मात्र कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंगमधून केलं जातं. The financial accounting does not shows the cost accounting department, jobs, process and contracts, etc. In financial accounting, the cost is not divided into direct and indirect cost. In financial accounting, the cost control is not possible. For this purpose, cost control is not possible. Financial accounting does not shows the causes of responsible for rise or fall in the net profits. Cost accounting shows rise in cost or decrease in cost per center और पर युनिट कॉस्ट शोधण्याचं टेक्निक म्हणून जेव्हा कॉस्टिंग पुढे येतं तेव्हा निश्चितच त्याच्यामध्ये प्रत्यक्ष किंमत वाढली की कमी झाली हे फक्त कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग सांगू शकतं, फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग सांगू शकत नाही. आणि म्हणून कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. द फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग इज हिस्टॉरिकल. इट मीन्स ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स आर रेकॉर्डेड आफ्टर दे हॅव टेकन प्लेस. So cost information is supplied only at the end of the period. It means फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग हे जे आहे याच्यामध्ये जे व्यवहाराच्या नोंदी केल्या जातात तो व्यवहार झाल्यानंतरच केल्या जातात. उत्पन्न मिळालं तर ते उत्पन्न म्हणून तिथं रजिस्टर केलं जाईल. जर लॉस झाला असेल तर लॉस तिथं रजिस्टर झाला जाईल. परंतु कॉस्टिंग हे जे काही टेक्निक आहे ते पर युनिट कॉस्ट शोधण्याचं आणि अंदाजित प्रॉफिट सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करतं आणि त्यामुळं डिसिजन मेकिंगसाठी मॅनेजमेंटला कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग हे अत्यंत महत्त्वाचं टेक्निक म्हणून वापरलं जातं. फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग इज नॉट युजफुल टू जज द इफिशियन्सी ऑफ बिझनेस एंटरप्राइजेस. निश्चितच इथं कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग जर बघितलं तर हे व्यवसाय फायद्यात आहे की तोट्यात आहे हे सांगण्याचं काम करेल किंवा प्रॉफिट मिळू शकतो की नफा. कॉस्टिंग हे कॉस्ट कंट्रोलसाठी कॉस्ट फाइंडिंगसाठी अत्यंत महत्त्वाचं टेक्निक म्हणून वापरलं जातं आणि त्यामुळं फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंगचा हा जो एक महत्त्वाचा मर्यादेचा भाग आहे की फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग इज नॉट युजफुल टू जज द एफिशियन्सी ऑफ द बिझनेस कन्सर्न. फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग डू नॉट शोज profitable and unprofitable activities. Because of all these limitations of financial accounting, cost account is necessary. In short, cost accounting is a science or an art and practices of cost accounting. According to Weldon, one of the definition we see costing is classifying, recording and appropriate allocation of the expenditure of the business concerns. For the department of cost of products and services and for the presentation of suitably arranged data for the control and guidance of management. According to Weldon, definition of cost accounting is costing is classifying, recording and appropriate allocation of the expenditure for the determination of cost of products and services and for the presentation of suitably arranged data for the control and guidance of management. In short, cost accounting is a subject which is concerned with the collection of cost information, analysis of cost information and ascertainment of control of cost and preparation of some important statement for the management. The subject cost accounting is studies all the aspects of cost. In other words, how to collect cost information, how to classify and allocate cost information, how to ascertain unit cost, how to present cost data to management, how to maximize profit by studying the cost structure, how to minimize loss to certain periods, how to fixing the price, how to present or how to prepare tenders and estimates, how to study how should be an ideal cost structure. From the various definitions, it is clear that cost accounting is mainly concerned with three aspects. Cost ascertainment. What is meant by cost ascertainment? At present, it is very difficult to find out per unit cost because of factory system and use of machines. Cost accounting gives various costing techniques by which per unit cost can be found out. Then cost control and reduction of cost is very important because of competitive situations. It is highly essential of very cost statement for the use of management for taking correct decisions. Correct cost information must be supplied in suitable form to the management. The cost accounting gives various techniques by which cost information is presented to management. Advantages of cost accounting: per unit cost of product is shown only with the help of cost accounting. Profitable and unprofitable activities are clearly shown in cost accounting. Various ways and methods of controlling cost by reducing waste are shown in cost accounting. Cost information is made available to the management regularly. The cost is classified to direct and indirect, fixed and variable, controllable and uncontrollable, etc. On the basis of cost information, price fixation become easy. Tenders and estimates can be prepared with greater accuracy in cost accounting with the help of cost accounting. During the period of depreciation, cost accounting shows lowest limit up to which cost price can be reduced below cost. Causes for the rise or fall in profit costs are shown by cost accounting. Budgets and standards can be prepared and actual cost can be calculated in cost accounting. These are the advantages of cost accounting. धन्यवाद. Thank you.